use less muscles, use less energy, and the banana is sweeter. What would you all think about that? Turn this way so they can see. So that took what, about 2 seconds,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
It used less muscle power.
Yes.
Right.
Right.
And we didn't taste it, but if you taste it, what do they say? The sweetest part is here versus here.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I got that.
All right, so let me ask you a question.
Wait up.
Will you now eat your bananas a different way or peel your bananas a different way?
Absolutely.
You would? Really? Would you?
Yes, why not?